Hello guys, if you're looking to build an AI application with autonomous AI agents, then CrewAI is one of the simplest way of doing that. The power of AI collaboration has too much to offer. CrewAI is designed to enable AI agents to assume roles, share goals, and operate in a cohesive unit, much like a well-oiled crew. This project not only has this page where you can check out their GitHub repo, their code, but you can also join the Discord community. This is their GitHub repo, which is full of nuggets. Let me show you their architecture as how exactly it works. So, as I said, much like a well-oiled crew, it is composed of autonomous agents which work independently and they also collaborate with each other on tasks. Whether you are building a smart assistant platform, an automated customer service ensemble, or a multi agent research team, CrewAI provides a backbone for sophisticated multi agent interactions. So, what happens is that these agents, which you can see in the middle, they are working independently, but they are also collaborating with each other through the process and they work on different tasks. They can also delegate tasks to one another and they can also ask for help. You can use either OpenAI's model or you can even integrate it with Olama. There are various cool features with this Crew AI. For example, we have a role-based agent design where I said that an agent can assume different role. An agent could be a doctor, an agent could be a legal advisor, an agent could be cybersecurity analyst, anything. Agents can also autonomously delegate tasks and inquire amongst themselves and they can enhance problem solving efficiency. We need to define tasks with customizable tools and assign them to agents dynamically, or even we can program them to pick those tools by themselves. One thing is that currently it is only sequential, so it's not in parallel or simultaneous. So it's not like that agent can work independently in parallel. It is sequential, so first agent works, then the second, and the third. But as these are very early days, I am more than sure that as this project evolves, there will be simultaneous nature or parallelism in the agent execution. Having said that, let me now show you how you can get this CrewAI installed locally and then how you can define the agents and then play around with them. So let's get started. Let me take you to my Ubuntu terminal. So this is Ubuntu which I'm using. Let me quickly show you my Ubuntu version, which is quite recent one. It is 22.04. This is my local system and I have one GPU of 16 GB RAM and I will be using OpenAI's GPT-4, which is the default model for CrewAI. The first thing we need to do is to install CrewAI with simple pip command. Pip install CrewAI, press enter, and that is going to install CrewAI plus lot of other prerequisites which are involved with it. Let's wait for it to finish. That's done. Let me clear my screen. Second thing we need to install is DuckDuckGo search. I'm installing this because this is what I'm going to use in this example. If your use case is different, you might need to install something else, but let's go with this one. Okay, so we also need to install these two things because they are required. Let me install them. So I'm just doing with the upgrade option if it is available. Okay, upgrade, sorry, my spelling mistake. Let's wait for it to finish. Let me also upgrade this spider one because it is complaining, so it will be good to get it updated. And now spider has been upgraded too, and you can see that it has also upgraded this one, which is good. And just for the sake of completion, I have also installed this Romel YAML. Let me clear my screen. Okay, so all the prerequisites are installed now. Now let me fire up my Python interpreter and then start using that CrewAI. First thing, let's import OS because we need to set our OpenAI key in the environment variable. Secondly, let's import CrewAI's agent, task, and other processes because this is what we are going to use. Okay, there is a warning there. Okay, let me check what is happening. Maybe I need to upgrade this URL lib too. Let me quickly do that too. So you can see that I'm also upgrading the URL lib, and now okay, I need to update this one too. This is the issue with these Python things. We have to make sure that everything is upgraded. And you can see that now when I have imported these, there is no warning. Okay, let's also define a clear function because I would need to clear my screen few times in this interpreter, so it will be good to define that function. So just define a Python lambda function. Okay, CLS is not defined. That is fine. I would need to install it, but I could also maybe go with the clear one then. This is clear, and let's do the clear now. Okay, this works this time, thankfully. Okay, next step, we need to define our OpenAI's key. Let me quickly grab that key. And you would need a paid account in order to use that, so please make sure that you have that paid account. Let me paste my key and clear the screen. So I have set my key and I have cleared the screen. Next step, let's import the DuckDuckGo search from LangChain because that is what we are going to use, and also define the search tools. That is what our agent will be using. Okay, now that is done. Now we need to define the agent. The first agent I'm going to define is called as researcher. And let me quickly show you what exactly researcher is. So in this one, we are defining an agent. Agent's role is senior research analyst. The goal of this agent is uncover cutting edge developments in AI and data science, and then I'm telling it the whole context that you are a senior research analyst, blah blah blah. And then verbose to allow delegation, though it can't delegate to another. And this is a search tool of that browser it is going to use. And there are various tools we can specify which you can search from that GitHub repo, and I'll drop the link in video's description. Second agent I'm going to define is called as tech content strategist. And then let's define it again. We are giving it a role, goal, and also backstory or context. And then we need to define tasks for these agents. So for example, I'm going to define task 1 for agent researcher, and the task is conduct a comprehensive analysis of the latest development in AI. Similarly, for the writer agent, I am going to define task 2, something like this. That is also done. And then when agent and tasks have been defined, we need to instantiate our crew with the sequential process. So let me show you. So crew means simply we are defining that okay, these are the agents, researcher and writer. These are their tasks, task 1 and task 2. And verbose means that it is going to show us everything. And process is equal to process.sequential means it will run sequentially for now. Okay, that's done. And all we need to do is to kick off our crew. Result is equal to crew.kickoff. So this is what is going to happen is it is going to start our agent and perform the tasks. And you can see that thought I need to gather data. This is the one for our the first one, the agent, which was the senior research analyst, and it is showing the thought process with DuckDuckGo search. And then it is the next one. You can see that it is still going sequentially, the first one, and I will let it run. And it will depend, of course, it will depend upon your uh, system resources too, how fast this runs, and also how fast it gets the results back from ChatGPT 4, which it is using at the backend. And you can see that it is learning by itself. And key AI trends, this keyword, which is it is going to put it in that DuckDuckGo browser, it has come up by itself. I haven't told it, or we haven't mentioned it anywhere. So this is the whole thought process of this agent, and they are thinking autonomously. All we have done is we have defined them with the goal and stuff. Let's see. And now it has finished the change, and you can see it has also given us the response. Final answer you can see here. And now it's a crew agent executor chain. As you can see, this is the second one, and this is the output it has generated. Amazing stuff. And now it is entering with the new crew agent chain. There you go. This is the second one, tech content strategist. It is starting the task. And now it has also published the output of this second one, and it has provided us the final answer where it has returned us the whole thing with the title and everything. And there you go. It has come back. It has returned the response to us, and you can check it out that it has also published the whole output of the chain. So this is how easy it is to run these agents within this CrewAI. And we have delegated the task, we have assigned them the task, and they have just worked sequentially um, without any further input. We have just defined the goals and the task. And now you can see that if you orchestrate these agents, if you properly chain them together, you can create a whole organization's workflow here where multiple roles will be performing different roles. For example, if it's a customer service thing where one person was taking the orders on the phone, the other person was entering them, the third person was processing them, all this sequential tasks can be orchestrated with these agents automatically with the help of generative AI. This is the power of this framework. So you can see that how easy it is in order to use CrewAI on your local system. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and you are as thrilled as I am, but concerned too. But I think this is the future of generative AI. And remember, this is just very beginning. This is still sequential. I think the real power will ooze out when it becomes simultaneous in parallel with, and then they will be collaborating with each other in a real parallel way in real time. So that's it. Let me know your thoughts, and if you are aware of any other such framework, let me know and I'll be happy to review it too. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share the channel among your network. Thank you very much.